So if you want to design something like this, first just go to Google or anywhere at all, get the word you want to use. Okay, so let me say 3D logo wall background. Okay, so this is the, we're trying to get the background that will place our logo on. Okay, so you get a lot of images here, but we're looking for a plain background, so all of these already have the images on them. Okay, let me scroll down and see. Okay, all of these are used already, I think. So let me see if I can get something to use. Okay, so basically mockups like this help you to present your work. Okay, helps you to present your work. All right, I think we are seeing plain right now. Okay, let me use this. Okay, I will not use this. I want something that is quite directional. Okay, so I'll show you how to play with the direction. Okay, let me use this. All right, this is quite, will give me what I want. Okay, so now let's go back to Pixellab. Okay, so remember, this is what we are trying to do. All right, so we'll come to Pixellab. Let's use a plain background first. Okay, so what you want to do is to bring in your logo. Okay, let's say you have your logo designed already, so I'm going to look for that logo we're using. Okay, let's say this is our logo. All right, so we have it on board. Okay, so let's just shift it like this. All right, so the text, we can just add anything. All right, but remember here you are adding your own text, details of the brand. Okay, social media handles and all of that. All right, so you can just use. Okay, so let me say this is like this. Reduce the text size. Let's have something smaller. All right, I can also go ahead and choose the font type. Let me choose. Okay, let me use this. Right, okay, so let's say we have something like this. See, reduce the text size again. If I can have everything on a straight line. Okay, so let's say we have something like this. Okay, so I can double this. So all you just have to do, you add all the necessary details. You get the Facebook icon, you add the Facebook icon, add the Facebook username, get Instagram icon, add the Instagram username, get Twitter icon, add Twitter username, and every other detail that is here. Okay, so this is just Facebook icon, phone icon, and all of that. You can get all of these icons together. All right, so let me just use another. Design like a pro. All right, so let's say this all have, so I'll bring this way. Okay, so let me see, let me play with the color of the text. All right, what I did there was just to press the plus icon, okay, to see more of those colors. We'll change this color too. Play with everything here. Alright, let's say this all have. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is I will group all the objects here together. So I'll just come here, group everything, okay, so that they can all move together. Okay, and I have something like this. So the next thing now is to bring in our wall. To bring the wall, you just click this icon here, okay, click on it, then use from gallery, then bring in the wall. So you see what we have now. So the next thing, this is where the trick is. Once you select your image, okay, you come to 3D rotate. Okay, now just watch. The 3D rotate is under this function. Okay, we are here, I clicked on this, it brought me here. Then you have all this delayed crop and all of that. Then you look for 3D rotate. Okay, and here you have 3D rotate. Okay, so you click on it. Now what you do is, if you click on positive on the x-axis, the image will start going. I don't know whether you notice the direction it is going. Okay, so you see what is happening, as if it's lying back flat. Okay, so let me reduce everything we have done so far. Okay, but that's if you want the logo to lie on an object, that's when you use that. But we are not trying to achieve lying on an object. What we want to do is to make it lie on the wall. Okay, that means you are using the y-axis. You can either shift it front, okay, or you take it back. All right, so as simple as that, this is where the magic is done. So what you want to do, we want to add to the y-axis until it starts facing the direction of the wall. Okay, so let's say we have something like this. Is this one perfectly sitting already? I don't think it's perfectly sitting yet. So let's see. But you just want to be careful so that you don't over twist it. All right, like don't over twist it. Then when you get the perfect alignment, the perfect direction, then you can just stop turning. Okay, this is not um that good. All right, let me change the color. Oh, however, it's not a perfect reduction. That's because we have a conflicting, to have conflicting colors in the text and the wall. Okay, but if you are doing it, you want to ensure that um the your object you are placing on the wall stands out. Then you come to this 3D effect and rotate it. Okay, so that's how you can create 3D logo mockups with Pixellab. Okay, so as simple as that. Just make sure you pay attention to the turning, right, so that you don't overturn, because I'm seeing since I've turned too much. Let me see. All right, so just use your creativity. Graphics design is all about creativity. Just use your creativity here and bring out what you want. Okay, so that's that about 3D logo mockup.